Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to be best friend on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you want to get one of your Snapchat friends onto your best friend list, then the best friend on Snapchat means the list of the top 6 people with whom you interact the most frequently. If you want to get one of your Snapchat friends on your best friends list, then the first thing to do is to open up Snapchat, tap the Snapchat icon or your emoji icon at the upper left-hand corner of the screen, and this will open up your profile page. The first step into being a best friend with someone is by adding them. Simply go to the bottom of the page, scroll a bit down and tap on add right next to the contact that you'd like to add on your Snapchat, or you can also start by accepting a friend request that you received. Remember that they must add you back in order to be friends on Snapchat. Now, the next step once you add a friend to your Snapchat is to go ahead and start sending snaps to your friend. Return to the camera page. Simply tap on the circle in order to take a snap, or you can also press hold the circle so that you can take a video right now. Now once you do that, tap on the send to button at the bottom right hand corner and send the snap to the particular friend you're trying to be best friends with. Now all you have to do is send the user several more photos or videos. Make sure to send them more snaps or videos frequently than to any of your other friends. The person that you're trying to contact must send you snaps as well, and if you keep doing this for a couple of days, you'll be able to be best friends on Snapchat. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.